Good morning, beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing great. Jambo everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atieno. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Matama! Today I'm excited to share with you a typical laundry day in my village. Join me as I show you how we do laundry in African village. Yes guys, we don't have washing machines. Must be wondering what I have here. This is a basin, a bafu in Luganda. So I'm going to use these 4 basins. You see, I have small laundry. I'm going to do my clothes and some of my grandmas. The kids will wash their clothes. We first sort the clothes out like this. This is white. You can't wash white with black. And this pink. We are lucky to have a water tank in our home, which makes laundry much easier nowadays. You guys, I'm saying nowadays because when I was growing up, we didn't have water tank at home, so we had to walk every day to fetch water. To walk for like 1 hour to go to the borehole just to get clean water. So I'm so happy. These are my bed sheets. Very cute and demure. You see guys, very easy, but it needs energy. So guys, you can tell me if you also wash clothes using hands or use washing machines. Now it's promoted to another base. So guys, this is plain. We're going to hang them up there. Nowadays things are modernized. We also have clothes wires. I forgot to tell you, way back we used to hang our clothes down here on the floor. Huh? On the ground, not on the floor. Nowadays, things changed. You see, we put them up. Guys, I'm done with washing and I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I feel like sleeping.
A bean plant.
So this is a bean plant. Integrated science. A bean plant. This is a bean. This. Fresh beans. We call them ebijanjalo. Oh my god. Like this. Like this. This is like a cover. Then we eat the seeds. She's right there. Say hi. Madam. Say hi. Today you don't want. You're full. So guys, I don't know if you ever seen this. It's a fruit. We call it coke. In Uganda, I don't know. I don't know if that is the English name or a Luganda name, but we call it coke. This is how it looks. You eat the seed. Huh? This is how it looks. it is so sweet. So we have a couple of trees. It is time for ironing. So guys, we're going to iron clothes. The country, we put the charcoal. I'm going to use this blanket. Let the place is what? Softly comfortable. Mas bakalaba. Later,